Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2022 Kubota SVL75-2. This unit is a like-new machine. It has 311 hours on it. Very, very nice machine. This machine is still under Kubota's bumper-to-bumper warranty. Machine was purchased 5/20 of 2022 and will have bumper-to-bumper warranty on it until 5/19 of 2024. So you are purchasing a machine that is under full warranty. It also has emissions warranty until 5/19 of 2027. It's an all original machine. We did paint the bucket. Cab heat air, power quick attach, 2-speed, AM/FM radio, rear view backup camera. It is the 15-inch wide track. We just done a complete and full service. I bought all OEM Kubota filters and changed it. We even did the planetary oil, so it was done for a customer. Come on back. We'll walk you around this machine. Does have a couple scratches and scrapes of a used machine. There again, it's just got some little scratches on it. Rear view camera. We did do a complete and full service. Again, all filters and oils are changed. We went through it. That is something we do pride ourselves here in going through and service and stuff. A lot of guys out there today wash it and put her on the internet. That's not our thing. Some guys actually pressure wash it and it's not even dry and they're already taking pictures. So I guess they do that to make it look better. I don't know. But anyhow, this thing is under full warranty. Again, pretty hard to not understand what you're purchasing there. We're being fully honest, transparent, and telling you the truth about what this machine is. Someone added an indoor rear backup camera, which it is the factory brand from Kubota. It does have a couple of spots. There's some spatter here. Somebody must have get into a little bit of like lime dust or some powdery stuff. There's a couple of spots there. But other than that, and that's in underneath. 15-inch wide track. You can see undercarriage is like brand new. 74-inch industrial track loader bucket, OEM Kubota, 2300 Series T, side cutters. Bucket's truthfully like a new bucket. Does have your side or your cylinder guards on here, power quick attach. Does have the nice overhead door. You can see the grab handles here. Everything is as straight as an arrow. One nice thing Kubota has done, they've moved the serial plate from right here in this location on these later model machines now. They have put them up underneath here, which was a great idea. I think that was a wonderful thing that they did. A lot of those machines would all be scratched up, mangled up there at that front. Again, you can see both sides match. Someone did tint the side windows in this machine. I think it looks cool. And it's actually pretty neat. You can set in here and you don't have that sun reflecting off of you. There's one little dent right up here. It's just a ding. I want everybody to see that. I don't want somebody calling and say, oh, we didn't see that little ding. One little ding right there. The average people would have never told you about that. That's a little different here at Mark Supply. We kind of want to go over and tell everybody the truth about something. Standard auxiliary hydraulics. On these, I think they're 17.1 gallons a minute. You can see right here, 311 hours. We'll start it here for you. You have no error codes. Everything unlocks just the way it is supposed to. Does have, obviously, the new style handles in it. Cab, heat, air, everything right here the way it is supposed to be. Power quick attach is up here. Your wipers, back here is your radio. I can't run the radio right now because I don't want any type of violations from YouTube. But you will see here, they did tint these side windows up on the top. Really, really made it nice. Give that back to Matt. Now, one really nice thing here, these doors. I can't say enough nice about these doors. So, we're going to take this door up and down. You can see how nice that is, Matt. One thing I need to show the people. I want to pull the door back down. So if you bear with me here a second, I'm going to do this one-handed. Okay, there, I just did it one-handed. The backup camera is installed up top here, okay? And you can see there what it is. Very nice. They've actually put it up there. You can glance up, see what you got going on. You can see there that it's working. So, on this door, again, you can see it comes up by itself. These are a very, again, very, very nice door. Put it up. You want to lock it out, you can lock it out, run this machine without, you know, you can have your boom up and get this door open, which is a very, very nice feature. So, and you can see all the more it takes. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this machine up. We're going to run around and show it does everything it's supposed to do. So you can see here, again, 311-hour machine. Very clean, very nice, very tight. Cab heat air joysticks, foot throttle. One nice thing I'll say about the Kubota, they're a very comfortable machine. Good visibility in them. It's something I really like. They have excellent air conditioning in them, I'll say that. I have a lot of Kubota equipment that I own of my own. I got two R530 wheel loaders that we run absolutely every day. Very good machine, very good quality machines. What we've found with them, we've done virtually not much of anything to them. We really like them. Easy to maintain, easy to keep up with. One other thing we've noticed parts on the Kubota end, in my opinion, there's some stuff that's a little pricey, but for the most part, you know, as far as parts, stuff is very affordable, it's very reasonable, which I like that. These machines, we've owned a lot of them. We have found with a lot of them, we haven't done a lot of major stuff to them. We do a lot of skid loaders, but we do really like these machines. One nice thing I do like about them, is they're a very simple machine as far as your inside of the cab. You know, you got your fuel, your temp gauge, your hour meter, your warning lights. They're not overly sophisticated in that manner, which I'm not against, and I'm going to tell you why. It seems like the more electronic stuff that goes into these machines, the worse they are. And that is a very true statement, and I'm sure there's a lot of guys out there that'll disagree. I mean, yeah, okay. Do you need that big fancy dash? In my opinion, no. And the reason I look at that is down the road, that crap's all going to cost a bunch of money to replace. It's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when it goes bad. So that's my opinion. I think that these machines, they put their money in a lot of places that need to be, such as in stuff like cylinder guards and a big heavy boom. The quick catch is twice as heavy as a lot of the other ones out there in the market. You know, the overhead door, there again, in my opinion, Kubota's got one of the coolest and probably the best doors in the industry. And I think the thing really does a nice job. So that's my couple little takes on it. Everybody has their own opinion. That's what makes us such a unique and diverse society today. But that's things that I see. But I absolutely love stuff like this. 2022, 311 hours. I mean, I hate to use that term. It's pretty cut and dry, but here's something that's really nice. It's ready to go. There again, you know, we did take the time, spend the money to service this, so we knew what we had. And, you know, my big thing is, I don't want the comebacks, I don't want problems. We honestly just try to do the right thing. Get through our stuff. Yeah, I might be more money than some guys, but whenever you get at home, we want you to go to work and do your thing. That's our opinion. Just keep in mind, this unit here will run a 72-inch extreme duty brush hog. You can do everything with this you want to do, in my opinion. You don't have the def, you don't have to fool with that. You're under def. Yeah, this has a particulate filter on it. There again in the Kubota, you know, both my wheel loaders have that. You know, as far as I'm concerned with the DPF end of it, if you pay attention and you let it go through its thing, Very seldom do you have a problem. The ones that we've had that have had problems, not in the Kubota and other brands, where they needed forced regen or they had other issues, DPF plugged up. When you get in there to read the codes, you know, it had 30 codes in it for DPF not completed, or DPF interrupted, or DPF inhibit switch was activated. So there again, how much of that was brought in on its own? There again, that's all part of, when it does its thing, let it do it, and it's done. There again, this machine has emissions warranty until 2027. So that's, you know, that's a feat in itself right there, in my opinion. That beep you're hearing, that is me toggling back and forth from 2-speed to single speed. So, if you are looking for a nice size loader, you know, something's going to go out and do some work, you don't have to worry about def on it, you're looking for this size of loader, here's something to take a look at. These are a very, very nice machine. There again, foot throttle. There I am on foot throttle. Here's hand throttle. All the lights work, backup camera. Cab heat, air. There again, everything on that works just the way it is supposed to. It's very nice and cool in the cab. We did change the cabin filter so that was done, all brand new, ready to go. AM FM radio. It's all back here, MP3. So I'm going to shut this machine off, and then you're going to see here, throw the cab up, I'm going to hop on out. One nice thing, I mean, I'm a little bigger guy than I used to be here, but nice, there's a lot of wide area there to get in and out of the cab. Nice, spacious cab. Now you see here with one little quick thing, a lot of people don't know this tabs here. There's a little tab right here you can push. You're going to grab a hold of it. You're going to pull the door in. That's all there is to it. You can go ahead and push it right here again. That's it. So very nice door, very easy in and out. 15-inch wide track machine. Joystick 2-speed, power quick attach, wide track, factory warranty until 5/19 of 2024, bumper to bumper, and then 5/19 of 2027 on the admissions end of it. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066, please call Nick or Matt. I'm Nick, that's Matt behind the camera. Gladly help you. If you need a freight quote, let us know. Yes, those are the OEM tracks. They're about 85%. Both matched, both Bridgestone, both stamped Kubota. It doesn't get any more realistic than what this machine is. That's why we're taking the time to do this video. Was a one-owner machine. Guy bought this to do some work around his property and then sold it. So we purchased it back off the dealer he sold it back to. So any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. And I'm sure, Matt, you probably took, what, 60, 70 photos of this thing? How many? 90 photos. So most guys selling one take about 10. So we try to do that. So, you know, takes the guesswork out for you. Any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.